Hi, I'm Stephanie Hansen with Smiling's My Favorite, and I'd like to thank you for listening. Today's topic is about smiles and sugar-sweetened beverages affecting them, titled, Share It with Confidence. Have you ever had a smile so bright that it physically dazzled with a twinkle, like in the movies? Yeah, me neither. Still, don't you love a good smile? Doesn't it make you want to smile yourself? I was once ashamed of mine. My teeth were so crooked and I was embarrassed to even show my teeth at all. But thanks to a few $1,000s and years of braces, I now have a smile I'm not afraid to share. Now I work at a local high school and started noticing the smiles of the students I passed in the halls and saw in the lunchroom. Many have great ones. Braces are still doing wonders. I also started noticing something else: how much soda and energy drinks students were bringing to class. Large fountain cups, energy drinks, and one student, no lie, even brought a bag of root beer. A bag. It made me wonder, and I started asking, how many drinks do they have a day? Non-alcoholic, of course. We are talking to high school students here. But not being a big soda drinker myself, I was shocked. Who am I kidding? I'm still shocked about a certain fast food restaurant selling a bag of soda. The students told me they were drinking at least 32 ounces a day. That's almost 3 cans. If they drank energy drinks, they were averaging 2 a day. Not gonna lie, I may or may not have started into full-on mom mode. Do you know how bad that is for you? Then I realized I was not their parents. But it did get me thinking, not about how bad it is for your body, but for your teeth and your smile. Did you know cavities are the #1 non-contagious disease worldwide? Sugar is one of the factors that bring about cavities and tooth decay. Soda, energy drinks, fruit juices, sports drinks, and even coffee and tea are considered sugar-sweetened beverages. So when you drink a 12-ounce can of soda, just one, you are drinking 10 to 12 teaspoons of sugar. Same with fruit juices like orange juice. Sports drinks have 5 teaspoons, and energy drinks have, drum roll please, 21 teaspoons. That is almost 1/2 cup of sugar. And the bag of root beer, which is a half a gallon, has 78 teaspoons. That is just shy of 2 cups. You wouldn't eat that much sugar, so why drink it? Warning, back to mom mode. Eat your vegetables, eat healthy, and drink healthy. Non-alcoholic beverages, of course. You can prevent cavities and tooth decay by drinking less sugar-sweetened beverages a day. Drinking less soda, energy drinks, fruit juices, and sports drinks does affect your smile. Your smile is the first thing most people notice about you. So, slow to flow and protect your glow. Your smile may not have an actual dazzle or twinkle, but they are contagious. Share it with confidence. Thank you for listening. If you would like to learn more about how soda, energy drinks, and other sugar-sweetened beverages affects your smile, please visit www.jordandistrict1word.org/share it with confidence, one word. Thank you.